Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we are going to be doing DIY Christmas wreaths using Dollar Tree merch. That's what I'm going to be doing today. All what I'm going to be using in this project, I purchased them from Dollar Tree. Okay, the decorative merch is from Dollar Tree. The decorative ornament is from Dollar Tree. The wreath ring is from Dollar Tree. The scissors is not from Dollar Tree. Cure pipes, the glitter cure pipes, that's what is written on it, is from Dollar Tree. Also, I want to let you all guys know this is my first time attempting this, so it's it looked like a flop to me, but I was like, I'm just going to share it anyway for somebody to have an idea. You all will see what I'm talking about as I continue to do this project. This is my first attempt doing a Christmas wreath using a mesh. All right, because there are other products, other material that people use. I believe those ones will be more easier because this mesh is a little bit hard. It's not easy to manipulate here and there, and you all know I told you I bought it from Dollar Tree, so no regrets. I know $1 is a lot of money, but at the same time I didn't regret it because I didn't spend too much. Okay, imagine I bought something that was like $10 and this project turned out this way. I will feel so bad. But yes, it's a learning process for me. That's why I call it beginner friendly. All right, I hope you all will enjoy watching this video, and please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.